Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I know I haven't been posting in a while, but I don't have much to say. But I was surprised that I got this in the mail today. As you might see, it's from Dublin, Ireland. I know what this is. It's the second ticket to the Earle concert in Dublin. Well, it's actually just one concert in Dublin. Yep, this is not a ticket, but that one is. Steve Earle and the Dukes and the Mastersons at Vicar Street on the Tuesday, the 24th of July. This is just one ticket for one of the shows, and I have the one in London right here. So I'm going to see him twice, which is going to be awesome. And it would be actually my first time in Ireland, actually, which is going to be amazing as well. So there would be two concerts, as said. I haven't seen him live before, and I lied to you. I did see him once at David Letterman show. It was it was actually 5 years ago, actually, and which he just performed one song though. So this would be my first time that I'm seeing a full concert of him. So that's going to be amazing. Two countries in one trip in July for 1 week. I hope you liked the video. I hope if you're new, you can subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the Webshop down below, and check out my website at theswedishtravelerumea.com, and that I will post blogs and other stuff. Yeah, otherwise, peace.